Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. One big up on yourself and all. Yeah, I know that hear the pot. I make nice and all these stuff because you guys are in Cohen's Entertainment Kitchen. I soon show no all one people. Please ensure you guys are keeping safe. Please remember to follow the protocols. To my subscribers and to my viewers, go and big up on yourself. Guys, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright, so don't know further talking, just come see me I go already in the kitchen. Alright, people from your cities, you know Chef Cohen is in the house. Alright guys, so soon show you what I'm going in the pot. I didn't show the part when I was seasoning the fish, but what I used was a little bit of salt and the Maggi fish seasoning. Yeah guys, so that's what I used to season it. Alright guys, as you know the oil has to be extremely hot. But when I hear it bubble and I go on with itself, so I'm just going to start putting the fish then. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the fish them in the pot, but the oil hot like wow. I'm afraid to fry fish in a cause I tell the truth. Can't manage when the oil splash up. But watch and see what I made enough. Hey, my God is good. Oh. People, the oil has touched up onto your things. Let me show you what I'm going in the pot. So guys, I just turned them a while ago. I'm going with themselves. They look nice too. Yeah man, Chef Cohen in the house. The good things them. Hey, the good fish them. Hey. Alright guys, I'm now finished. So this is the end product. Alright, so I'm gonna eat now guys. Okay guys, so with the hot oil and all, I survived. Praise be to God mighty. You know I'm want to finish guys. long time, because as I said earlier, I'm afraid for fry fish. I don't like the fry fish because the oil when it starts splash up, you know, normal. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting. Continue to big up yourself. Please remember guys to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and to tell a friend about Jordan Cohen fry fish. Alright guys, bye.